Have you ever imagined the future of space exploration? A future where robots lead the charge into the cosmos? For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars with wonder. Now, robots are becoming our eyes and hands in the vast unknown. These mechanical pioneers are set to uncover the secrets of distant worlds. Join us as we delve into the incredible potential of robotic explorers. Robots, the future of space exploration. These feats of engineering are pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, taking us further than we've ever gone before. Get ready for a cosmic adventure. Now let's delve into a revolutionary advancement in space exploration, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. This is not just an ordinary telescope. It functions more like a time machine, observing billions of years into the past. Imagine witnessing the first stars and galaxies coming to life after the Big Bang. That is the capability of JWST. And how does it achieve this? It is all about infrared light. As the universe expands, light traveling across these vast distances gets stretched, shifting into the infrared part of the spectrum. JWST is specifically designed to detect this infrared light, enabling it to observe objects that are too faint or too distant for other telescopes. However, it is not solely about looking back in time. JWST is also an exceptional planet hunter. It can analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, those planets orbiting other stars. By studying the light passing through these atmospheres, JWST can detect the chemical signatures of various molecules, potentially revealing the presence of water, methane, or even signs of life. This is groundbreaking research. With JWST, we are not merely observing the universe, we are unlocking its secrets, one infrared observation at a time. It is a new era of cosmic discovery, and robots like JWST are leading the way in this futuristic exploration. Let's shift gears now and journey to our red neighbor, Mars, where the Perseverance rover is on an adventurous quest. This isn't just any rover, it's a mobile laboratory, equipped with cutting-edge instruments to uncover signs of ancient life. Mars has stories to tell, and Perseverance is here to listen. Billions of years ago, Mars wasn't the dry, dusty planet we see today. It had rivers, lakes, maybe even oceans. Perseverance is exploring Jezero Crater, a site that scientists believe was once a lakebed. Why is this important? Because if life ever existed on Mars, this is the kind of place where we'd expect to find evidence of it. We're talking about fossilized microbes, chemical traces, the kind of clues that could rewrite our understanding of life in the universe. But Perseverance isn't just about uncovering the past. It's paving the way for future exploration. It's testing technology for future human missions to Mars, like MOXIE, an instrument that's generating oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. Imagine astronauts breathing Martian air. That's the kind of groundbreaking exploration that Perseverance is making a reality. Reflecting on Mars, we must acknowledge Curiosity, the rover that has been diligently exploring the Martian surface for over 10 years. This steadfast explorer has provided us with stunning images and groundbreaking scientific data, transforming our understanding of the red planet. Curiosity has been navigating Gale Crater, a vast impact basin that scientists believe was once capable of supporting life. It has uncovered intriguing evidence, such as organic molecules, which are the fundamental components of life as we know it. While this doesn't confirm past life on Mars, it does indicate that the essential ingredients were present. One of Curiosity's most profound discoveries was the evidence of ancient lakes and streams on Mars. This dates back billions of years, to a time when Mars might have been a warmer and wetter world, potentially hospitable to life. Curiosity has even detected signs of ancient groundwater systems, suggesting that liquid water may have persisted on Mars for an unexpectedly long duration. Behold the granddaddy of space telescopes, the Hubble Space Telescope. For over 3 decades, Hubble has been our celestial eye, capturing awe-inspiring images that have ignited the imaginations of scientists and dreamers alike. Imagine this. Hubble has witnessed the birth and death of stars, the majestic collisions of galaxies, and the grand expansion of the universe itself. It has granted us a front-row seat to the greatest spectacle in the cosmos, all while orbiting our planet at a staggering 17,000 miles per hour. Hubble's images are not mere photographs. They are scientific treasures, providing invaluable data that has transformed our understanding of the universe. It has helped us determine the age of the universe, study the majestic evolution of galaxies, and even uncover the enigma of dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the universe's expansion. The epic odyssey of robotic explorers. Embark on an epic journey to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond with the legendary Voyager probes. Launched in 1977, these robotic pioneers have ventured farther than any human-made object, unraveling the mysteries of the outer planets and the interstellar medium. Imagine the Voyager probes set off on their odyssey when the world was still in the throes of the space race. For over 4 decades, these tireless Voyagers have traversed the cosmic expanse, their missions still alive and thriving. They have graced the realms of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back breathtaking images and revolutionary scientific insights. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a timeless message from humanity, filled with music, greetings, and the sounds of Earth. A cosmic message in a bottle, cast into the vast ocean of space, symbolizing our eternal quest for knowledge and connection with other intelligent beings in the universe. As we've seen, robots are playing an increasingly vital role in space exploration, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and taking us to places we could never go ourselves. But this is just the beginning. The future of space exploration is bright, and robots will be at the forefront of this grand adventure. Together, we will unlock the mysteries of the cosmos and explore the vast universe with hope and curiosity. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in shaping the future of robotics, check out Zerobotics to learn more about our educational platform. Subscribe for more robotics content.